Boom! What is up guys? Welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're going to be working on the S2000. So we're just going to be doing a little maintenance and we're going to be giving the S2000 a little clean inside and out. Now we just got to head to the ZPG headquarters and then we can get started. But before we head off, I want to try something new. I'm not too sure if this actually works. You know, all the boys been saying works, but apparently you can teleport with your phone. So I thought might as well try it. Let's see if they're being legit or if they're just joking around me. So apparently all you do is if you have Siri or Google Assist, you just ask it to teleport you and it should work. So let's give it a shot. Hey Siri, could you please teleport me to the ZPG headquarters? What the heck? It worked, but I guess in the wrong place though. Let me try it again. Hey Siri, not the driver's seat. I said ZPG headquarters. What the heck? It actually worked. What the heck? The boys weren't lying. Shit. What the heck? Alright guys, so besides that, like I said before, what we're going to be doing is giving the car a little wash inside out and maintaining a little bit. So what I've got planned today is to vacuum the car, take off the ZPG banner, which I'll explain why later, wash the car, change my wiper blades, and also try to attempt to polish my J's Racing exhaust to bring back some color and some life. What the hell? I'm still surprised that you can use your phone to teleport. Like, what the heck? Like, there was still a bit of lag, but you know, I think I just gotta give my phone an update and then it should be smooth without a lag and should come instantly and to the right location. But you know, other than that, let's get started, eh? So the reason why I put my roof down is to get better lighting in the car so that I can show you how messy my car is. So like I said before, I'm in need of a vacuum. As you can see, there's, you know, like little crumbs on the seat, rubbish everywhere, you know, floor mats and stuff are all dirty in there as well. And also at the driver's side as well, not as dirty, but as you can tell, there is still little stuff everywhere. So yeah, with that being said, let's get cleaning and start vacuuming the interior of the car. I don't know what the heck happened here, but it looks like dirt got melted onto the carpet or something, but can't even take it off. And yeah, I know I need new carpets, but fuck it, eh? Far out, look how dirty the passenger side is, eh? All my paperwork, all my pamphlets that I just threw on the floor this side, including my $89 parking fee. Far out. So there it is guys, the Honda S2000 interior is now all vacuumed, or to the most that I can, because the vacuum is out of batteries. So now, as you can see right here, it is all now clean to the best I can, as the company stuff waiting for the vacuum to recharge fully. As there you go, passenger side, driver side is all done as well, and it's looking 100 times way better. And now what we're going to be doing is taking off the ZPG windshield banner. So here it is guys, the ZPG garage banner, and I already know you guys probably have questions regarding to why I want to remove the banner, and it's because I'm going to be officially leaving the crew. Nah psych, jokes, all jokes aside, I want to remove the banner because it's time for a new one, I reckon. So basically, I'm not sure if I said this when I first put the banner on. This was a temporary banner and it was meant to only be there until I actually, like, you know, buy some and try some out. But the problem was I kind of kept it for like too long now, and like I said, this was a temporary banner, so I guess it's time for a new design and a new banner. Nothing like leaving the crew, it's as simple as just wanting to remove the banner, so I'm more motivated to make a new one or to buy a new one. So there it is guys, the OG ZPG banner is now gone. Look how clean and big the windshield now looks, eh? Far out, look at that. Shit, kind of looks a bit plain now as I'm not used to it. I'm used to like having that little banner on. But yeah, new things coming, eh? So I try to clean it as much as I can, as you saw with the razor blade and the soap and water as well. It looks like there's nothing there, but I want to show you a magic trick, yeah? So if I was to spray the windshield, you can kind of see it coming back. I don't know why, like there's no more residue on it as well. Like I run my hand through and it's feeling smooth, so I'm not too sure why. But when I quickly wipe it with this microfiber cloth, you'll be able to quickly see it temporary again. There you go, can you see it right there? ZPG. So as I wipe it, you can definitely tell it's still there, but look at that, when it dries up, it starts to go away. So I'll wet it again. I'll quickly wipe it again. And there you go, ZPG again, but when it dries up, you can't tell anymore. So before the sun goes down, I'm going to quickly wash the car and then change the wiper blades, and then we can attempt to polish my J's Racing exhaust. So let's go. So there it is guys, the S2K is all now washed up. As you can see right here, it is so clean, you can see the sky's reflection, eh? Far out, hella clean. And also so clean, they can now see all the scratches and imperfections, which is a downside, but it doesn't really matter because the car's looking sleek. Look at that house reflection. Damn. Hella clean, eh? Haven't seen the car this clean in ages. Can't get over the fenders and the hood. Look how shiny it is. Damn, I'm not sure of a mirror or my hood, eh? Hella lit, damn. So with the S2K all clean, we can now move on to the next checklist, which is changing the wipers on my S2000. Alright, moment of truth. Let's go. Oh shit! Shit! Look, it doesn't struggle anymore. And you can't hear it anymore. Back then, when you try, you can hear it kind of struggle, like it kind of skips a bit and it's rubbing against the glass. But now, look at this, look how smooth it is. Wow, hella clean. It's lit, it's lit. Wow, that's actually lit as. That is what you call 100 times way better. But yeah, so that's another thing off the checklist. And now we're moving on to the last thing, which is trying to bring back some life from my J's Racing exhaust. So I'm going to pull the car a bit forward so we have more room to work with, and I'll catch you guys then. I should be jacking up the car so I can get access to, down there easier. But, I'm kind of lazy at the moment, so I'm just going to do it on the floor. But the main thing is just to polish this tip right here, as you're not really going to be seeing under there. So basically, I want to hit the bottom, but my main focus is to hit the tip right here. So I'm going to be using this Autosol metal polish, pretty cheap, and a lot of people use it. So I don't know if they use it because it's cheap, or I'm assuming they use it because it's good. So I'm just going to hand buff it with a cloth, and yeah, let's see the results. polishing up the exhaust. I know I didn't really record much, as you know, it would have been the same thing, but not sure if you guys can see the results in the time lapse. But if you can see it, then you already know it's going to be 100 times way better. If not, I'll show you guys right now. Alright guys, so first look at the tip, and you can see already there's a big difference. Hey, looks hella new. Far out, look at that, 100 times way better. Far, look at that glare, hella shiny, huh? Far out, 100 times way better. Lit, shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond. From the side or the bottom, and look at that, I polished this part here too, and as you can see, it's 100 times way better. Look at that, damn. You can full see the glare from the light as well. That's when you know it's hella sick and 100 times way better. Damn, especially these blue parts here, I'm loving it. Look how much it pops out right there. Look at that, look how shiny it is. And all I did was just hand buff it with a cloth, no machines needed, and that's the result I got. So yep guys, there it is, last thing off the checklist, which is to polish my J's Racing exhaust. So once again, this Autosol metal polish did its job, and you know, it just made it 100 times way better. So guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. I got everything off the checklist, and you know, I'm meant to end the vlog now, but it's a bit cold, so you know, I'm gonna head inside and end the vlog there. And also, you know, I might as well try out that teleport thing one more time, so let's have a sus. Hey Siri, can you please teleport me inside? It doesn't even work anymore. What the heck? What the heck? It worked, but I'm basically like next to where I was before. What the heck? What the hell should... Like, I'm getting the hang of this, but it's just not sending me to the right location. I don't know, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I don't want to play with this anymore. But yeah, anyways, like I said before, we got everything off the checklist. We vacuumed my car, it's all clean inside. We took off the ZPG banner, so you know, hopefully a new banner coming soon. We washed the car, we changed my wiper blades, which needs to be changed ASAP. And just then, we polished the S2K J's Racing exhaust, and you know, shine bright like a diamond. Ayy. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a fat like, PHAT, because you know, I wasn't really going to make this video. I was just going to do everything like that, but then I thought I might as well make a video out of it and you know, give you guys something to watch. So yeah, with that being said, catch you guys in the next one. Laters. Hey Siri, could you please teleport me to the ZPG headquarters?